Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add any posts to your highlights on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your credentials, which is your email address and your password or your phone number. After logging in, if you wish to add any highlights within your account, then go ahead and click on your profile icon alongside the What's on Your Mind box. Now, within this section, underneath your details, you will find the highlight section where you can just click on the plus icon in order to create a new highlight. After you have chosen your desired image that you wish to highlight, you can set a title for your highlights, and you can also choose the cover picture of this highlight album. After entering the title and choosing your cover, just click on the save button and this highlight will now be added onto your profile right away. And now people will be able to tap on this in order to see your highlights within your profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add highlights within your profile on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.